Hey Ethereum! Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media. Top 4 Best Wire Stripper Machine Review. Number 4. Features details: automatically strip scrap wire. This electric wire stripping machine can automatically strip wires, saving you time, labor, and costs. Powerful motor. The powerful motor of 370W has the ability to help you perform wire stripping work efficiently. Stripping speed can reach 98 feet per minute. Transparent lightweight. The transparent acrylic plate allows you to observe and operate the machine more conveniently. In addition, the lightweight aluminum alloy material makes the machine EA. Number 3. The automatic wire stripping machine features both electric and manual modes, allowing for seamless switching with a hand crank or electric operation. It's designed for efficient copper peeling and cable stripping, making it an excellent choice for scrap recycling and high-performance wire processing. Perfect for industrial and DIY applications. Number 2. Description: 1.5 to 38 mm electric wire stripping machine cable peeler for copper scrap stripping, diameter 370W. This 11-channel 10-blade electric wire stripping machine is equipped with a high-efficiency motor, so it has incredibly high work efficiency and an extensive wire stripping range. It is also designed with a protection mechanism composed of protective housing and emergency stop button. High-quality aluminum alloy material also brings better portability and durability. Number 1. This electric wire stripping machine efficiently handles cables from 1 to 23 mm to 1 to 25 mm, ideal for copper and aluminum wire recovery. Powered by 60W to 750W motors, it delivers high-performance stripping with precision, enhancing efficiency in recycling applications. Perfect for handling industrial and household scrap wire processing. If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.